can't tell you that. It's a surprise. But we're on the road, and we have overnight bags. And we have a few clues. That's all I'm telling you. That's about it. But traffic's really lame right now. It'll be okay.
So yeah, like he said, he hasn't really given me too many clues. I know that we're going overnight via car somewhere. Not sure where we're headed to, but I'm very excited.
There's gonna be bats.
He said there's gonna be bats. I don't know how to feel about that. I think bats are pretty cute. Who knows? Hotel Van Zandt in Austin, Texas. My husband booked this for the night, and so we're just kind of exploring the area. Apparently it has a lot of amenities, it has so many things, and it's a really beautiful room. About to do a room tour. Our hotel room was a Lakeview Deluxe King room on the 14th floor. It was beautiful and had epic views of Lady Bird Lake. The room was filled with a lot of special details, including a yoga mat and a nice space next to the window to catch up on your favorite reads. The bath was spacious and outfitted with Atelier Bloom luxury bath amenities. Plus, the hotel had an extensive list of things that you could request if you had forgotten them at home. All the special touches made it a very nice, relaxing stay. After getting settled in the room, we headed out for lunch out on Rainey Street, which is walking distance from the hotel. My husband had originally planned for us to get lunch at the food trucks, but most of them were closed. So we improvised and had lunch at Banger's Sausage House and Beer Garden.
That's really light.
Since I lived in Berlin for a few short years as an Air Force brat, I have a love for bratwurst and sausage. And so when I tell you that these were amazing, please believe me, because they were amazing. The service was awesome, and the patio was the perfect spot to hang out and enjoy our lunch. With full bellies, we walked over to the Emma S. Barrientos Mexican-American Cultural Center. The center has a beautiful hiking and biking trail that we walked along. It's also very close to the hotel, so we walked along the path next to the waterfront back to our hotel. It was hot, so we stopped by for a chocolate banana from the Bananarchy food truck. Right now we are waiting to go to dinner. Right for dinner is cocktail hour, and the hotel provides I think it's a free beverage for adults and children, so about to go down and try those out, and then afterwards go to the hotel restaurant, wherever that is. My husband wouldn't let me look it up because it's supposed to be a surprise, so I'm excited. The cocktail hour is from 5 to 6 p.m. in the hotel lobby. It was nice to hang out and have some complimentary local sparkling water and beer before dinner. Totally recommend it. Our reservation for dinner was at the hotel's restaurant, Geraldine. It's named after a famous guinea fowl that used to hang out on Rainey Street, where we just walked. The ingredients were local and fresh. Everything, all the way down to the sauces, was absolutely beautiful and delicious. Not all hotel restaurants are amazing, but if you skip Geraldine's at the Hotel Van Zandt, you are truly missing out on a spectacular meal and experience. After the meal, we took some pictures in the lobby and spent the rest of the evening soaking in the sunset and trying to see if we could spot the famous Austin bats. The next morning, we woke up at a respectable time and grabbed a snack and coffee from the hotel's Cafe 605. After a quick walk, we headed back to the room to pack and go to brunch. Gonna go to brunch now. We're gonna head down to the Geraldine again. We had them last night and we're gonna have brunch there this morning. We get a little bit of a credit with our the card that we have, and so gonna use that to our advantage to get a little bit cheaper brunch. Brunch at the Geraldine was fabulous. My salmon eggs benedict was the best eggs benedict I've ever had. I'm always one for a salty breakfast, and salad is my favorite breakfast side dish. The biscuits and French toast were also delicious. After brunch, we said our goodbyes to the hotel and made our way to Lazarus Brewing for lunch, or second breakfast. I wanted to try out some of the tacos Austin is famous for. It was really easy to get to from the hotel, and the street parking was plentiful. We sat out on the patio again and enjoyed just hanging out. The tacos were so good. The staff helped us pick out our choices, and they were scrumptious. Breakfast taco. This one's chorizo and egg. That is so good. I understand the hype, Austin. I'm going to need more tacos. Thanks for a great time, Lazarus Brewing. We headed home to San Antonio after a relaxing couple of days with fun memories and stomachs full of good food. We can't wait until our next trip down the road back to Austin.